call me and do anything like that. I called you 9 hours before time.
And you should call her 9 hours before time.
Well, mother, look, you ain't got nothing.
Oh, right, you shut up, cause you getting on my damn nerves.
I don't care about your nerves. Right now, you on my time. I took my time too. But I asked 9 hours before time.
Oh, so you asked 9 hours before time.
I asked Vernon too. I didn't wait till last minute and say, can you come pick me up? Because I don't work like that.
Well, this was the last minute. She called you 11:30.
Well, mother, I'm in the bed sleeping. Y'all act like I don't have a life. I do have some type of life. I'm
so you
trying
call
to
you
live.
at 11:30 and you sleep that you don't know the answer then, right? Is that what you're saying?
What I'm saying, when she brought her ass out here yesterday with Vernon, she should have had Vernon take her home.
She tried to call Vernon. What happened to
Vernon's at work. She should have had
Vernon.
Vernon.
Go to work to this evening at 2.
She told me this morning. She went early. She should have the person that
That's
brought her
why you
out to
couldn't
take
get
her home.
Right, that's what she did.
That's right.
She asked her. She paid her. She paid Vernon yesterday.
She should have had Vernon take her home.
I'm trying to tell you.
Well, I don't care what happened, mother. If somebody take you somewhere, they should take you back.
Right.
You don't depend. See, actually want to come out
You
here.
don't want to take that. Get your ass and go live
Let me finish saying what I'm saying and stay out this conversation because your ass get ready to leave this
I don't give a fuck.
They
Your
gonna
ass
be
is
down here with us too.
Shit.
So you created this mother. You
You
done
just created your ass too.
You're right, you created me too, but
Just
I
like
got.
that.
But what I'm just saying is, the bottom line, you don't wait till the last minute to
You
ask
argue about
nobody.
everything.
I'm not arguing about. I'm just
no.
saying, you just give, and then you ain't even ready when I come. I can't even get through the phone.
I kept trying to ask you. I don't know.
I don't know because I gotta get myself ready, mother. I don't usually do anything on Sunday for what I want to do for me. You can say anything you want to. That's your whole problem. You created this bullshit. You the same way. You wait till last minute. You wait till last minute to do things. Ain't no ashy agenda. Ashley had more cards than I've ever had, and I've been here 53 years. And she ain't got no card today. She even lost her fucking job. How you gonna lose a job with a company that we living in, mother?
How you
gonna get through?
How'd you lose your job?
My job laid me off.
Okay, you lost it though. The bottom line, you
But I'm
fucking
just
lost
saying, I got laid off.
it. It don't make no difference.
Yes, it does.
Because the same stuff they're talking about right now, family don't want to help you.
Yeah,
I'm calling the
It ain't about family. You've been helped, and you won't do a goddamn thing.
I paid mom to take me to work. That's what's going on.
That's your voice.
But she want to take me.
That's your mother. This one is mine.
What are you talking about? They don't have
What I'm saying is, she had Berta bring her out. She should have left when Berta left yesterday. That's the bottom
Yeah,
line.
you know what? This is really wearing on her ass, and she got.
I didn't worry about her. I can't even get through the damn phone to call over here and tell her my line.
Rashida,
I wasn't on the
she can't get
phone.
through the phone. I was talking to Dwayne, and something wrong with the phone because somebody else said they tried to call her busy April.
Then she want to take all this stuff home.
Her clothes.
She didn't bring all this. She came in with that bag. And then yesterday you had the audacity. I'm standing out there to walk past me and not speak to me. You don't need me. That's what I'm saying. You treat people like shit.
In the future, you don't need them.
That's right. You treat us like shit.
Well, I'm just
I
saying.
say good morning every time I see y'all. No, you don't.
You
I
deal
stood
with a
right up
fucking
there.
bunch of nuts. Okay, that includes April and Rashida.
Whatever, mother, you can say
Come on,
anything
Mark.
you want. You ain't got nothing to do with this.
I
Look, you lost your transportation.
I gave it away.
You lost
And I
it.
don't need no fucking trip. If you don't want to take my ass to choose it, there's 10 people waiting. Okay, I'm just letting you know that. I don't need
But
you.
see,
I
what I'm
don't need
saying
April.
is-
I don't need no fucking body because I got people in line. That's the person I am.
Well, see,
I don't do nothing. You ain't got to
why you
tell
didn't
somebody.
teach that to your granddaughter?
I tried to teach it to you and it didn't
You
work.
did, it did work with me.
No,
You don't
it
call me at the last
Every
minute.
damn thing you
You
do
don't
is
call
something
me
they got
at
to
the
hear
last.
something about.
She ain't got to hear nothing. You don't call me
You
at the
give
last
you
minute,
give
mother.
nothing unconditional, right?
You don't call me at the
Not
last.
even
I don't
yourself.
owe actually a goddamn thing.
You
She don't
don't-
owe
you
me.
don't owe nobody.
I never taught her that. When I asked
Get
her
the
for
fuck
that
out of here.
ride,
Come on, Ashley. You just
I called her 9 hours ahead.
Go. Go. Have a good day at work. Just don't ride with Rashida. Cause see, everything you ask Rashida, loan me a comb. You got to wear. How about you
How
try
can
to
I
come
loan her a
Ashley?
comb when I
I'm
don't
giving
even
that
have a
voice
fucking
out.
comb?
And whatever. I'm about to say, Rashida, you should have had something.
You always making excuses,
you
mother.
take me to
Stop
work.
making excuses.
I name an excuse.
You are making
You
excuses.
are a person, and you
You
always
making
gonna be a
excuses.
Christian person.
Mother,
You
this
are
ain't got
not
nothing to
Christian.
do with Christianity.
Yes, it is.
This ain't got
You
nothing.
don't know how to
you,
give shit. And that's why
you
you
don't know
by
how to give
yourself now.
shit either. That's why you ain't got shit.
Got more than you ever have. Rashida.
No, you won't.
Shit, more than you
You
ever
couldn't
have.
get your ass
Listen,
pay that money on
let
them
me shit for you. Do I?
And I do stuff for you too. But you get in my fucking business, mother. Your ass is getting ready to leave this fucking planet.
I live here longer than you. Remember that, okay?
I doubt it.
I told you 25 years
You keep
ago.
smoking them
Listen,
things.
I can smoke these at 20. I ain't going to
You know,
that.
I had a peaceful Sunday, and that's what I wanted.
You could have had a piece of shit ass you all you have to do is say, fucking no, Rashida!
But I'm just saying,
Shit.
y'all come on my telephone. No, you ain't ready. What time you want? It don't matter what time I'm going. You need a fucking
And
ride.
I tell you that's why I don't give a fuck what you asked Rashida for. She got to give you some consequences behind
It
it.
ain't no consequences.
Well, you
mother.
ain't got
I don't
no bill.
care. You
You
know
ain't
I
got
don't
no-
care.
I ain't
You
what
don't.
you
When
do.
you ask for a ride, you be ready for the
Right.
fucking ride when it comes.
That's who I am.
That's how you raised me.
That's
People
so
ain't
what?
working on your fucking agenda.
Oh,
You need a ride.
Go,
Go,
Rashida.
go.
I want you to go. Go, just go. Just go.
Don't talk that shit to me
Just go,
anymore
go,
because it don't
go,
work.
go,
You done fucked
go,
up too
go,
many
go.
fucking people in this
Nah, you fucked up your own damn
You
self.
fucked up with people in
You
this
fucked
family.
up your own
Cause
self.
see, you wanna
And you know what?
jump
You
straight on the
always give
fence.
your fucking opinion to people. People don't want to hear it. I told you that the other
Then
day.
don't fucking call me.
Well, I don't know why they do. Nothing is lasting with you because you always got a judgment and opinion.
It ain't a fucking judgment. You don't wait the hour before you wanna go call take me home. I'm living
It's
a
a
fucking
fucking
life
hour
just
now.
like you.
It was a fuck, but when she wants something, when her car was down, I
I
called you
asked- I did, man. I
called you
was
9
asking.
hours the whole day before. So if she called you a day before, the whole world should call you a day before.
You don't go.
You don't
You don't go to a job like
you
that,
don't,
mother.
you don't do the obvious, right? You don't.
I'm not asking
everybody
for your approval for nothing.
Everybody
My
has to.
time with you is up, and
Everybody
I
has
know
to.
that. I don't ask you for no fucking approval, nothing.
Everybody.
Cause you need fucking approval, Eleanor.
I don't need approval from
You
nobody.
do. You
I don't
need
need approval from your fucking fucked up God. I don't
You
need
need
approval
approval
from
from-
you. I don't
you
need
need
approval from
approval.
Ashley. I don't need
You
approval
don't
from
call me
Margaret.
with this bullshit on a Sunday. This is the last day of the week. It's a peaceful day. I'm sitting at home meditating and shit. I don't want to be involved in this.
Okay, so it's a.
I don't wanna be involved.
House. That's involvement.
Mother, how you know I wasn't taking the highway to work?
Well, take the fucking highway to work.
That's what I'm saying. You call me with this
Go away.
bullshit.
It's just.
Then what time you
It's
come?
1:45.
You don't know what I'm gonna do in the process.
I don't give a fuck. You going to work.
You don't know where the fuck I go when I leave.
Well,
Don't tell me no shit like you don't know where the fuck I go.
Girl, you need to come back to reality. Right?
No, you need to come back to
Dealing with
reality.
people. Dealing with people. I mean.
I am dealing
I
with
tell you that
people.
all the time. It's
You
so
think
that
I
way.
live my fucking life according to your agenda? I do
You
not.
don't. You live it to your own agenda. It ain't giving you nowhere. You always talk about.
Yours ain't neither.
Give me what I want.
You right where you was when we was living on 22nd,
You are
27th
too.
fucking street.
You are too.
And you know I understand that. I understand. You right where you was when we lived on 27th
But I
street.
ain't where you was at 53.
It don't matter where you was at
Okay. All right,
53.
so you know that.
You had
You
got some driver's
you got-
license at 50.
Everybody don't want.
When I said
everybody don't want.
see, you
every
stepped
time
into
somebody-
something that ain't your fucking
Right,
business.
it is
And
my
I knew
business.
you was gonna fucking do that
Right.
because you don't, like Kim said,
It's
you don't
like-
respect
I
us
don't
as
talk about
fucking
Kim,
adults.
okay, yeah. But that,
We don't need your fucking opinion.
And I'm
I don't need your fucking
I want you
your
to say
fucking
it.
opinion has fucked up this
Right,
family.
right. Yeah, fucked up the family.
You right, me in it too.
Your own choice.
Your
fucked
fucking
up the-
opinion.
Your own
Because
choice
what
fucked
you
up
know
your
don't fucking work.
So what you doing ain't working either.
That's right. And I'm
That's
trying something different day by day.
Trying ain't good enough.
Day by
Okay,
day.
remember
You
that.
ain't even fucking trying.
Don't have to.
You need to be
Bye.
banished off the
Bye.
fucking planet. I can't wait
Take your
so I can say goodbye.
I'm gonna take your ass right.
It's been a hell because you stepping this shit that ain't your fucking business.
Ashley is always my business. That's
Yeah,
Marcus.
take her fucking home.
Yeah. That's goodbye. That's what I
I
said.
said take her fucking
Right.
home.
Call cartel and tell somebody to come pick you up. Fuck it, I'll pay him.
Take her fucking
Yeah.
home.
I mean, you gotta come here with all this shit because you
No,
got somebody
mother,
to home.
people can't call me at the
Shut
last
up, Roger.
fucking
You
minute.
always want
I never
somebody-
called nobody at the last fucking minute.
That's
You can't
you.
go on your job at
That's
the last
you.
minute.
That's you.
If you don't work on your job at
That's
the
what I
last
said.
fucking
That
minute,
is you,
No.
Rashida. Everybody don't
you can't
things
do
what
me
you
like
do.
that. I ain't do people like that. You
Well,
just,
I'm glad that you feel that way. And hope
it's the
that,
truth.
that this karma don't come back and bite you in the ass, okay?
Hope it don't come back and bite you in the ass because you stepped into something that wasn't even for you, mother.
Let's get down right.
You still think you can fucking raise something. You can't raise your
I ain't
fucking
gonna even
self.
try with you no more.
You can't raise your
I'm
goddamn
not
self.
gonna even try with you anymore.
You think you can raise up? We're grown people.
Everything that somebody asks you to do, they gotta hear a whole.
She didn't have to hear nothing. I
It ain't
called
all
her on the
asking.
fucking phone
It's with me
to tell
too.
you I'm getting ready to come.
It's
I'm rolling.
it ain't about asking, it's about everything.
Mother, I don't want to hear that bullshit from you.
It is,
Because you
Auntie.
create a lot of
It
bullshit.
is.
You do.
I sit back and listen everything. Somebody.
Because you the
Right.
fucking utopia. You can't even straighten your fucking
Right.
life out. You bad for fucking cancer.
Who cares? Do
You,
you?
I don't
you
care.
about that?
I'm glad you going.
Oh, you care about that?
I don't care. No, I don't
Well,
care.
then don't
It's
even
sad
bring it
enough.
up. Don't bring
Because
it
it's a
up.
fucking
Don't
bird.
worry about the shit.
It's a fucking bird.
Well, you know what? That's on you. If it's a bird, that's what you carry.
No, I ain't carrying your
Because there ain't
cross.
no bird
You
on
gonna
me.
carry your own fucking
I don't
cross.
believe in that shit, though.
I don't care what you believe in.
Yeah, you just believe in that shit.
You gonna
Don't
carry
worry
your
about
own
that.
cross.
Put your shit back. I mean, I told you when you said, I'm calling my shit, I said, you got to hear it. Well, you
She didn't have to hear a goddamn thing.
Oh, you
If
come
I
in,
tried to
you
call
come in,
over
don't
here.
go away.
I got to step off my cord and come in here
Yes, see,
because the fucking line is busy. I can't even get through on the goddamn phone.
That's my
Look,
fault.
mother,
That's my fault.
if I call somebody, give me a ride, I'm looking for them out the door.
Yeah.
So when they pull up, I can get in the fucking car.
That's what I'm saying.
People don't work like that on this fucking planet.
Because you do that, and I do that.
What do some-
I'm not saying
don't nobody
that
owe me
everybody
nothing.
don't do that. I'm standing outside the door waiting on you when I'm going.
Don't nobody owe me nothing.
Get shut up, Rasheed. I'm standing in the
No,
door.
you shut up.
waiting
You
on-
gonna talk to me
I'm
as a
waiting on
fucking
you.
grown
Act
woman.
like a
I'm not your
grown
fucking
woman.
child
And like a
anymore.
fucking
I'm
nut.
fucking 53 years
You
old.
act like a wing nut. Shit.
You act like a fucking wing nut.
I mean, Jesus.
You always judge.
Yes! Yo, get out right now. Get out. Cause I'm done when y'all talking, alright? Get out.
You better get the fuck
Hey,
out my
hey,
face.
get out.
Go sit
Right
down.
now.
Yeah, I'm done.
You need to go sit down.
Why are you
ain't-
placing your cancer?
I don't give a
Mother.
fuck. She don't care. She want to talk to me like I'm shit.
Well, you're.
I'm her fuck. This is my fucking mother.
Did
Talk to
you,
yours.
will you respect somebody that cussed their mother out?
Get the fuck out of my face,
Will you
Marcus.
respect somebody that cussed their mother
I
out?
don't give a fuck if you never respect me. You should learn how to respect yourself.
Hey, honor thy mother and father. Ain't you a Christian?
Honor your fucking mother and find your father.
So that's me.
That's right. Because you up in my business. You don't talk to me like that. You fucking 15, stay in the child
You don't talk to my
position.
sister that way. You don't talk to my grandmother that way.
This is my
Get
fucking
the hell
mother.
out of her house.
You got
That boy, go sit down.
What?
sit your fucking ass
I
down.
know.
Or what?
But go sit down.
You gonna get some demons to come up at me?
What you gonna do about it?
I don't know. I don't believe in demons. Get the
What you
hell out.
gonna do? You better see. This is the shit you done created. See, this is the shit you done created.
This is stuff that you done created too by being Christian.
By being
No,
nuts in the
this
house.
ain't got nothing to do with Christianity. This has got to do with who I am and the shit you done created.
Yeah, okay.
See, that's the shit you done created.
Always codependent, put it on somebody
You,
else.
that's the shit you
We
done
create
created.
our own reality.
You created that.
Yeah.
I came in, I
But
called
But
over here.
she's cussing you out. You don't need to stress. You going back to the doctor
Mark,
Tuesday and everything.
She's stressing me out because I knew I was gonna hear some fucking lip service from her.
You were yelling. She didn't yell until
Oh,
you went nuts.
she, look, it ain't about who's who. She created this shit. This is my mother.
She created you and you're a fucking monster.
And she created, you a part of her and you a fucking monster too. You a fucking monster. You got some nerves. You got some fucking nerves to say that to me.